pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
A fortiori, a fortiori, a fortiori. Adverb, with even stronger reason, used to argue that if one thing is true, then a related, stronger thing must also be true. If even professional athletes struggle with consistency, then a fortiori amateur players will face even greater challenges in maintaining peak performance. The government found it difficult to enforce the law in urban areas. A fortiori, rural regions with weaker infrastructure pose an even greater challenge. Ad infinitum, adverb, to infinity, something that continues endlessly. The philosopher argued that if one event causes another, which in turn causes yet another, the chain of causation could theoretically continue ad infinitum, raising questions about the origins of the universe. Without clear guidelines, debates over minor policy details can drag on ad infinitum, wasting time that could be spent on substantive decision-making. Ex post facto, adverb, an adjective, after the fact, retroactively applied, often in law. The new law criminalizing the fact was applied ex post facto, punishing individuals for behavior that was legal when it occurred, a clear violation of constitutional principles. The company's ex post facto justification for the data breach failed to convince regulators, as it did not address why preventive measures were ignored beforehand. Etc. Noun. And the rest, used to indicate a list continues. A well-rounded education should encompass critical thinking, creativity, cultural awareness, etc., rather than focusing solely on standardized test performance. The study examines socioeconomic factors, income disparity, access to health care, educational resources, etc., to explain variations in life expectancy across regions. Verbatim, adverb, an adjective, word for word, an exact repetition. During the plagiarism investigation, the student was found to have copied a paragraph verbatim from a published journal without citation, resulting in severe academic penalties. The witness's testimony was discredited when the defense proved she had repeated the prosecutor's questions verbatim, suggesting her answers were rehearsed rather than authentic.